Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Vitaraga bhayakrodha manmaya mamupasita bahavo jnanatamasa puta madbhavam agata. Bhavam means nature also. Just like we call nature sabhav. So madbhavam, this is one nature, this material nature. And this is also Krishna's bhavam, means Krishna's nature. Nothing is beyond Krishna. But this is external nature. Bhumi rapanaro vayu bhinna me prakriti astadha. Bhinna means separated energy. The energy is working, although it is Krishna's nature, still it is separated nature. Just like I am speaking, it is being recorded. When it will be replayed, you will hear the same sound, but still it is separated from me. Similarly, this material nature is also Krishna's nature. Nothing is beyond Krishna. There are two natures, the spiritual nature and material nature. The material nature means external energy, and spiritual nature means internal energy. And we are also spiritual nature, margin. We can remain either in the material nature or in the spiritual nature. Therefore we are marginal nature. There are three natures, external, internal and marginal. So long we are in the material nature, external nature, we are unhappy. This is the position. Just like a fish, when it is put into the land, it is unhappy, or death. Similarly, if you, the creature of the land, if you are put in the water, you are unhappy, and death. So because we belong to the spiritual nature, as it is explained by Krishna, that this material nature is opera. Opera means inferior, not fit for us. Therefore we are unhappy. So long we shall remain in the material nature, we must be unhappy. Just like this body. This body is made of material nature, and we are within this body. Dehinasmin jatha dehe kaumara jauvanam jara. So long we have got this body, material body, we must be unhappy. First of all, we must try to understand why we are unhappy. We are unhappy because we are in this material body. And what is that unhappiness? It is ending in four principles: janma, mrityu, jara, vyadhi. To take birth, and again to die, and so long we live, we must suffer from some disease, and we must become old. Plain truth. Therefore, intelligent person must be aware of the miserable condition of this material existence and try to get out of it. Is there any doubt? Huh? This is the fact. So, our only business is how to get out of this material existence. That is our only business. Not that how we can adjust things here and become happy. That is called karmi, fools. It is a fact that so long you will be here in this material world, however you may try to adjust things to become happy, it will be never possible. It will be never possible. They are trying to be materially happy in the Western world. They do not know actually what is happiness, but material happiness means sex life. So, sex life there is every day enjoying, and still they go to the naked dance to see if there is happiness. Or why there will be happiness? There cannot be any happiness. But this is adjustment. They are trying this way or that way. That's all.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.